Favorite superhero and why?
I'm gonna have to go with Superman. I know that's probably an obvious choice, but Superman for all the reasons, right? I mean, Man of Steel, all the great strengths, all the things that obviously would make Superman a great choice. But what I also like about Superman is he's got that kryptonite, he's got that one vulnerability that he has to be really mindful of. And I think that vulnerability keeps his ego in check and keeps him grounded to what matters and puts him in a spot where he knows that if he gets too close to that, that kryptonite, everything that he fights for could go sideways.
Remember The Incredibles? With a mom, dad, and 2 kids. And what really is inspiring about The Incredibles to me is that they lean on each other's strengths. They know each other's weaknesses. They help each other out, and together they try to do good. And I'll say this, it's not about, in MedTech and about leadership, it's not about being a superstar individual superhero. It's about being a superhero yourself and teaming with other superheroes to drive success and make change.
It's going to be the everyday superheroes. I look at what we do. In our company, and I look at those orthopedic surgeons that are taking care of juvenile patients and taking care of patients. Those are the superheroes, right? Not to spoil the fun, but I think sometimes those expectations are set high, and kids see that. But really, it's the people that are out there that are in our everyday life, and